mfana kithi ngihlonipha iscout se-Pirates angimazi lo muntu oscoutela i-Pirates mara mamela Butafi lo muntu uphethe intwana ezisheshayo lilokhu lidlala ibhola nje kuyadritshulwa kuyiwa khona and manje I'm happy for the coach make fika befuna ukuthi ngengcondo yakhe yalila buya khona mara uthi after 3 games bamkhomba bathi sisebenza kanje la ngithande ngomlomo wakhe athi ngifuna la uRivero agcine khona ngiqhubeke khona adlalise ama-player ka-Rivero la beloku aphethe i-Pirates aloku atswaka nje afake lentwana zakhe kancane kancane bheka nje makenza ama-substitute nangu umremi ufike la afuna ukumcala negame amfakele i-pressure wabona ukuthi mani ngizokhosta intwana wayibamba uthe makecala lentwana aqala i-release kahle ngesikhathi kusele kuma 10-15 game ingeni yakora lentwana manje you understand
nabo ulibitso
Chief Mamela lo muntu uphethe yonke into kunali le angilazi eBusman edlala lapha esiswini lihlalisa uMakhawula ngaphandle you understand so labantu labafana bakuveyisa balokhu bayepalini ubheka amagoli wabo uthethe lo wapolice uthethe uMufukeng uthethe labo Muremi uthathe lo Lamthuthu you check all those boys so they dribble going forward which is what we want and the name of the game is a goal as long as udlala ungayipalini igame ayiphela 3 points yambili or 1 point yambili which is what we don't want